I'm Manimegale Vijayarangan. I'm in the pink of health and I'm happy as a lark meeting you all in this video. நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் நல்லா ஆரோக்கியமாக சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கீங்களா என்ன மாதிரியே? ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் ஒன்றும் பார்க்க போகிறதில்ல. யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு டூ அ ஒர்க் ஷீட். நான் சொல்லியிருந்த மாதிரி இதில் ஒரு ஒர்க் ஷீட் கொடுக்குறேன். அந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட்டை சின்சியராக பண்ணுங்கள். பட் அந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அட்வர்பியல் கிளாஸ் அண்ட் கைண்ட்ஸ் அந்த வீடியோவும் clause analysis அந்த வீடியோவும் தரோவாக பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் பண்ணுங்கள். Now I'll give a list of sentences. You have to analyze the clause. Like first you divide them into main clause and subordinate clause and then name the subordinate clause as noun clause or adjective clause or adverbial clause based on the rules. Okay? The first question is, this is the pencil that I gave him. Number 2, she is the girl who joined me in singing. Number 3, you can go wherever you like. Number 4, the old lady said that she is going to fire me. Number 5, yesterday was a red letter day in my life because I got an award. Number 6, the laptop which I bought yesterday was the best in the world. Number 7, I like to go wherever I wish to. Number 8, she is my friend because she helps me at times of danger. I will cook whenever I am hungry. I will cook food that you would love to eat. Now we'll discuss the answers. This is the pencil that I gave him. In this is the pencil, main clause, that I gave him, subordinate clause. In that, what kind it is? It is telling us something about the pencil, isn't it? So it is adjective clause. Next, she is the girl who joined me in singing. She is the girl, main clause, who joined me in singing, subordinate clause. Once again, who refers to the girl? It's an adjective clause. Next, you can go wherever you like. You can go, main clause. Where can you go? The answer to the question where, when, where, how, why. When you get an answer to the question when, where, how, why, it is called adverbial clause. So wherever you like is adverbial clause. Next, fourth one, the old lady said that she is going to fire me. The old lady said, main clause. What did she say? We are getting an answer to the question what. So that she is going to fire me is the subordinate clause, which is also known as noun clause here. Next, yesterday was a red letter day in my life because I got an award. Yesterday was a red letter day in my life. That's a main clause. Why? We are getting an answer to the question why. Why yesterday was considered as a red letter day? Because I got an award. So because I got an award is a subordinate clause and it's of the kind adverbial clause. Understood? Next, the laptop which I got yesterday was the best in the world. In this, the main clause has been split. You see, the laptop was the best in the world. That is the main clause. And which I got yesterday is a subordinate clause, which can be termed as adjective clause. Sometimes the main clause will be split like this. Understood? And mainly it comes for adjective clause. Next, I like to go wherever I wish to. I like to go, main clause. Where do you like to go? Wherever I wish to. So you are getting an answer to the question where. So it is adverbial clause. Next, she is my friend because she helps me at times of danger. She is my friend, main clause. Why? Why is she considered as your friend? Because she helps me at the time of danger. I will cook whenever I am hungry. I will cook, main clause. When will you cook? Whenever I am hungry. So it is adverbial clause. I will cook food that you would love to eat. I will cook food. That is a main clause. That you would love to eat is the subordinate clause, and that refers to the food, isn't it? So it is adjective clause. என்ன நல்லா கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் லெவல் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்கா அந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட்டை பண்ணதும்? கண்டிப்பாக இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சரி, உங்களோட மார்க்ஸை வந்து கமெண்ட்ஸில் அனுப்புங்க. எதனா டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் அதில் கண்டிப்பாக அனுப்புங்க. இது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் டாபிக், அதனால தான் தனியாக ஒர்க் ஷீட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். So after this I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.